Next, a coroner has concluded that a man who disappeared from the Canton area of Cardiff died by suicide. Connor William Westlake Walker-Smith, aged 26, was last seen near his home after an argument in April last year. His body was found 6 days later in the River Taff. The inquest heard he'd spoken to his GP the day before, but no suicidal thoughts were disclosed and no referral was made. He was said to have struggled to access mental health support in the weeks beforehand. A driver who led police on 3 dangerous chases in just 2 weeks has been jailed. James Michael Osmond, aged 25 from Swansea, was already on licence for a violent gang attack when he hit cars, forced his way through traffic and nearly hit pedestrians. Officers stood down one pursuit due to the risk. Osmond laughed at the footage during a police interview. He admitted 3 counts of dangerous driving and was sentenced to 3 years behind bars and banned from driving for 4.5 years. A prisoner at HMP Park in Bridgend has been sentenced for violent assaults against 3 prison officers. Adam Smith, aged 33, threw faeces and urine at 2 officers in separate incidents and punched another in the mouth, causing dental injuries. Each officer was taken to hospital following the attacks. Smith, who was already serving 6 years for grievous bodily harm, admitted 2 counts of administering a noxious substance and 1 of assault occasioning actual bodily harm. He's been sentenced to 42 additional months in prison. A new Aldi and Starbucks development in Aberavon has been given the green light. Neath Port Talbot Council has approved plans for the Burrows Yard site, which includes 141 parking spaces, 18 EV chargers and a drive-through coffee shop. The project also improves footpaths and cycle access to Water Street. Planning officers say it will regenerate derelict land and support local footfall. 3 objections were received during public consultation, but over 300 responses were in support of the scheme. Neath Port Talbot Council says the development fits within the Future Wales 2040 strategy, aiming to strengthen local economies, encourage active travel and boost sustainability through well-integrated infrastructure and access improvements.